All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150, white with the gray vinyl interior. It is the mid-roof, short wheelbase with 8,000 miles, folks. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Let's focus in on this car. Boom. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Your tire, there it is. 5/32. All right, let's double check that. Tire, there it is. 6:30, almost at 6:30 seconds. Door looks good. This area here, quarter panel areas look pretty decent. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. Tire thread is at over 4:30 seconds. Double check that. Yep, that's correct. All right. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no. It does have like a ripped seat here. C3, about 6 inches right there, right where you put your big butt on. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. The owner's manual is still wrapped up, of course, for 8,000 miles. Got your AM FM CD player, AM FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. All right, you got your backup camera right here. Boom. And then this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 8,139. Looks good. Turn on the lights. Coming around. My light just died. Rear bumper looks pretty good. The rear bumper and rear doors look good. This is a good one, guys. Don't hesitate to buy this one. This is good. This one is good. All right. This panel looks good. These doors do swing out, as you can see, to about that area. Likewise with that one. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. A rear cargo space looks like. Very nice. We got the wood paneling. This panel looks nice. All right. All right. Very nice. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel, and your tire. There it is. Over 4:30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. A sliding door. Let's see it. Very nice. Boom. That's what it looks like. The side, super nice. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No tears, no rips to that one. And your front fender here looks pretty nice. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire, that is over 5:30 seconds. Let me get a roof so I can go up down the ladder. And what I meant to say was, let's get a ladder so we can check out this roof. All right, well, in this area here, we look good. I'm gonna go around and see what the other side of this truck looks like. And this area looks pretty fresh. Very nice, guys. All right, I don't see anything. It's a good thing, guys. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 8,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.